Okay. And I'm going to push myself up and over. All right. These exercises that we show you during the Ride Like a Pro video in my classes, you should be able to do them with 2 people on the motorcycle. It's very important. If you can't do these simple exercises by yourself, don't ride with a passenger on the motorcycle. Now I'm going to give you a couple of tips on what you can do. Not much changes. You got 2 people on the bike, but the person who's sitting in the passenger seat, when you're making tight, low-speed turns, should lean forward, almost so their chest is touching your back. That puts the weight in the center of the motorcycle. Nothing else changes. Head and eyes, friction zone, a little bit of pressure on the rear brake. That's all there is to it. So I'm going to run through the intersection exercise, and you're going to see that there's really nothing different. Nothing changes. We're on. Okay, we're on. Try and stay as still as possible.
All right.
And just when I turn my head knives, you turn your head knives. Don't lean your body or do anything. Just stay straight up.
Got it.
I've got a passenger on here. How much do you weigh, by the way?
232.
232. I'm about 195, so he weighs quite a bit more than me. But the bike is capable of handling this weight. And again, techniques do not change. Head knives, friction zone, little pressure on the rear brake. So even if your wife is maybe a little, how should I say it, what would be the polite way of saying it?
Heavier.
A little heavier. Maybe a little heavier than mine. If she's heavier than him, and I know what you're thinking, by the way, he's on the back of the bike and he's not the prettiest thing, but I bet he can cook. Till next week.
Good deal.
Stay right there.
What a beautiful couple.
Is that a wrap?
That's a wrap.